Everyone, we have made it. We're on the conclusion part of the essay. So, in the essay with the introduction, I have it broken up by highlighted categories. Remember that it goes the hook, the overall information, and then the thesis claim or main topic that you're going to be talking about. And it's very similar to what happens with the conclusion paragraph, or the concluding paragraph, sorry. So here I have my I cannot speak. I have my paragraph to go with my paragraph title head. And here I have my ending. So this is my conclusion paragraph. And it says, it's important to remember that most ordinary North Koreans know nothing about the government. In his testimony to the U.S. Congress in 2017, high-profile defector Jong-Un said most North Koreans would not even know their leader was educated in Switzerland. It is no surprise that with this government of North Korea keeping so much information secretive that rumors can quickly run. It is believed that the leader of North Korea, Kim Jong-Un, faked his death in order to weed out those members of his inner circle for not being loyal to him. This is also to look at who in Kim Jong-un's own family was hungry for power, because if he died, the next ruler would be a member of his family. So, what we need to do is we need to go back up into our overall view and then our thesis and make sure that the information that came from the thesis is being repeated again, but differently. So we're not going to just take this that is highlighted in green, copy and paste it, because that's not how it works in essays. You need to take this information. You need to make sure that whatever is in there, it is being answered, and it needs to be able to be rewritten in a way that the reader is left with something to think about. So for my thesis, I have North Korea is known for being a closed-off country. So for this, I'm going to highlight this in a different color to make sure that this information is being repeated again in my conclusion. So I go down to my conclusion. It's important that most ordinary North Koreans know nothing about the government. And then we have a testimony from Thay, and it talks about how the leader was educated in North Korea and he was educated in Switzerland, and not many North Koreans know that much about that, or even know that happened. And then we have this question, why would Kim Jong-un fake his own death? So we're going to highlight this in a different color to make sure that it is being answered. We'll do this color. And then we have this secret. It's believed that the leader of North Korea faked his own death in order to weed out those members of his inner circle for not being loyal to him. So yes, we do have that answered. And then our last question, if he had not faked his death, what does this mean for North Korea? So if he truly did pass away, we'll highlight this in this dark color. So if he did truly pass away, what would happen? Let's see. If he died, the next ruler would be a member of his family. So, and then we'll just highlight this in that color. Oh wait, no, it's supposed to be that darker one. Sorry. Okay, so we have our thesis statement here, which is North Korea is known for being a closed-off country, which is why conspiracy theories spark so much attention. People all over the globe ask themselves, why would Kim Jong-un fake his death? And if he had not faked his death, what does this mean for North Korea? And then at our conclusion paragraph, we have our thesis, which is a little bit restated, and then we have answers to some of those questions as well. And it's believed that the leader of North Korea, Kim Jong-un, faked his own death in order to weed out those members of his inner circle for not being loyal to him. And if he were to pass away, another member of his family would then become ruler of North Korea. So what you need to do in your own paper is you need to go into your thesis while you write your conclusion. You need to go into your thesis or claim and make sure that when you write your conclusion that you are restating the thesis or claim in different words, and that whatever questions you might have had are being answered. So go ahead and work on that now.